high pressure area will move east of the region early Saturday. For forecast for Cleveland and vicinity, flash flood watch in effect until 10 p.m. East.
Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lorain County until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles southwest of Elyria and moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Elyria, Lorain, Grafton, Amherst, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Lorain, Ohio.
This is NOAA Radio KHB 59 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland.